Do you know how you protect your game from wear while playing with them? Applying a varnish coat on the paper. Today on the factory floor, we show how this protection is applied. To apply the coat, we use this machine that uses a roll to imprint a fine layer of the water-based varnish over the paper. The coat used is a water-based, eco-friendly solution. And immediately after that, the piece goes straight to the oven, where the coat dries and sticks to the material. It only takes a few seconds until the paper is ready to be available to cut or glued to other components.